Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Telegram and go to the group where you want to enable discussion. Tap the group name at the top to open the group profile, then tap Edit or the three-dot menu to access settings. You will see Member, Permissions, and Info sections. Confirm you are an admin because only admins can change group settings. Check whether the group is public or private, since linking a channel works differently for each. Note down any current restrictions, so you can restore them if needed after enabling discussion. To enable threaded discussion, open the channel you want to use as the discussion hub, tap its name, then tap Edit and choose Discussion. Tap Link Channel and select the group you opened earlier. You can also create a new channel if none exists. When you link, replies in the channel will create a linked discussion in the group and vice versa. Confirm the link in the prompt and verify that the channel now lists your group under discussions. This creates two-way linking for posts and replies between channel and group. After linking, return to the group settings and open permissions to control discussion behavior. Choose between all members, admins only, or set custom restrictions like who can post media or links. Use specific toggles for polls, stickers, and pinning. Next, manage notifications. Mute the discussion, enable alerts for mentions, or set custom notification sounds for key members. Finally, save all changes. Then perform a test by posting in the channel and replying in the group to confirm messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.